Hey everyone, John here with Geoshield. Today I want to talk about a major update to one of our top products, Ceramic Shield PPF. This will start with our gloss clear products and make its way into all Ceramic Shield products as they sell through. As you may already know, Ceramic Shield is our flagship protective film designed with ceramic infused top coat for premium hydrophobic performance, rapid self-healing, and long-term durability. Now, here's what's new. We've modified the adhesive on Ceramic Shield PPF to increase tack without introducing work lines. So let's break down what higher tack actually means for your installs. Tack is essentially a film's tendency to grab and hold onto the surfaces once the adhesive starts grabbing. So when we say higher tack, what we mean is the adhesive has a slightly stronger initial grab. Edges are easier to flush out and lock down. The film conforms to valleys and complex shapes easier while squeegeeing. With a higher tack formula, you'll typically notice several differences during installation. 1. Better material control when bulking. Once you've got your alignment right and your corners are locked, the film will tend to stay put instead of drifting. 2. More confident lockdown on contours. In areas where the film normally wants to float, shift, or lift, higher tack will improve stability when managing tension. And 3. Less edge lifting during finishing. When you're chasing final moisture on edges and complex shapes, the film is more willing to stay seated once it's set. Now, higher tack also means you may need to tighten up your technique just a bit. 1. Use enough slip solution. Make sure your slip solution is mixed so that you have enough time to work the film and to help it float. Also, provide enough slip solution coverage on the panel and under the film. 2. Position with intent. Once your film starts grabbing, you don't want to be doing a lot of unnecessary pulling and resetting that may compromise your install without introducing more slip solution. 3. Working in cleaner sections. Higher tack rewards clean prep and controlled squeegee passes because the film is more eager to bond. So why did we do this? This update is about making Ceramic Shield install like a true premium film. Ceramic Shield already delivers premium performance for customers seeking the best. What we're improving here is the installer experience with more control, stronger lockdown, and better stability where it matters. This allows you to move faster. So if you've been installing Ceramic Shield PPF, you're going to feel the difference right away. If you're stepping up into a premium film option, this new formula makes Ceramic Shield an even stronger choice for shops that both want premium performance and elite install feel. That's the new Ceramic Shield PPF.
Thanks for watching. Geoshield provides professional grade products empowering the installer community, rewarding experienced shops, and uplifting enthusiasts on their journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you don't miss future content covering everything Geoshield has to offer for professional film installers. Check the description below to follow us on all of our social medias and stay connected with Geoshield for all future updates. See you next time.